We need commercial development in the town because we do need to expand the tax base. You mentioned the fire station. I got to tour the fire station with Chief Grant, and the fire station, the headquarters of our fire station, the location that we rely on to keep all of our safe and all of our children safe, is deplorable. It's in terrible condition. It's a good example of why we need better tax revenue to keep our services intact. Granite Avenue, I'm actually the chair of the Granite Avenue Committee right now, so I'm in the process of participating in a lot of discussions about what could happen there. And I think a mixed-use project, a lifestyle center, so to speak, like a Derby Street, is a great idea. Currently, right now, all that's being discussed is 3 acres, which isn't enough room. But certainly, if you could piece all of those sites together and create a proper overlay district, I think it's a great location. I think it also creates an opportunity to solve some of the problems over there. You've got traffic problems, you have a lack of sidewalks, you have a neighborhood that is very concerned about what happens with that site. And I think that type of use allows you to bring in a developer that's well-heeled and well-financed. They can create solutions to solve mitigate those problems, like traffic, like sidewalks. They can create a very attractive thing that the neighbors will enjoy, and I think it's a great opportunity that we could certainly look at.